Hey everybody, this video brings us out to Collegeville, Pennsylvania, and the reason why we are in Collegeville, Pennsylvania today is to check out Odd's Exotic Plants. This place is pretty awesome. It's a garden center where you can pick up all your gardening supplies, gardening needs. You can grab yourself plants and flowers, exotic plants, all kinds of interesting things here. If you're looking for crazy, cool, exotic plants, you can pick them up here, or I believe just standard, regular flowers and kind of regular house plants as well. This place is really awesome, but what makes this place unique and different and interesting from all the other different gardening centers in the area is what is inside this right here. We're gonna go inside and check out something pretty awesome, pretty amazing. I like coming out here every so often. I bring my son out here every so often just so we can walk through what's inside there. It's like a roadside attraction here at this garden center, which is pretty amazing. So if you're ever out here, you've got to check this out. Maybe you've driven past this place before. Maybe you're just in the Collegeville, Pennsylvania area. If you want to see something neat, a free, cool, interesting roadside attraction, maybe you've passed this place and thought, I don't need exotic plants. I'm not planting anything. I don't have a green thumb. Why would I go inside here? You're gonna see why you definitely want to go inside this place. It is awesome. Yes, we have cats and kittens here. Please do not chase or try to catch them. Buddy has just returned from the vet and is recovering from a leg injury. Give him some space. Young kittens do not touch or pick up. They have cats here. Actually, a lot of gardens tend to have cats, and the reason why, they keep the mice out. Pretty good idea. Look at this place. When you first walk in here, I mean, it's already like you're inside a tropical rainforest. It's a greenhouse in here. You can feel the heat of the greenhouse. It is amazing. It feels musty. It feels like I'm in Florida right now. I'll be in Florida in a couple of days, but right now it feels like I'm in Florida. This place is amazing. I mean, and that's just when you first walk in. You're already in a tropical jungle, but you're about to see an actual tropical jungle here in Pennsylvania. The jungles of Pennsylvania, if you will. Look at this. How amazing is this greenhouse? This is so cool, and this is why you want to come out to Odd's Exotic Plants. This place is so cool. It is so unique. I would say literally, but I'm going to say it. I'm going to say we are literally inside like a tropical rainforest right now. Look at this. And you can walk all around inside here. It is so cool. This is why I bring my son out here every so often, just so we can come out and check this part out. We don't really care about the regular plants. We just want to come to the greenhouse and walk through the cave and see the waterfall. This is awesome. I've actually been wanting to show this to you guys for a while now. I just haven't made my way out here. Look at this. I'm about to walk through plants. How cool is that? This place is so just this. It's the fiddle leaf fig. I could go for some fig right now. I actually really like fig. If you guys eaten fig, I'm a big fan of fig Newtons. Dates, sugar dates are really good too. They're basically like figs. Look at this. We're gonna go up this walkway right now. There's some stairs here. You have to actually like walk through the plants. They let the plants kind of like grow over top of all this stuff. Look at this. How awesome is this right now? Oh my gosh, we're on top. Right now we're on top of the waterfall. There's the waterfall down there. There's actual, ooh, wow. That is one shaky, be warned if you come up here. Maybe don't lean against the railing. Jeez, that scared the crap out of me. Also, it seems like it's a really, I mean, I don't want to get OSHA out here or anything like that, but this seems like a really low railing. Is that to certification? I don't know. It's only up to like my hip. It just seems like I feel like I just topple right over this, especially since it's so wobbly. Anyway, I'm not trying to say this place is not safe. It is. It's a beautiful, safe place. Get out here. Hope OSHA's not watching. Anyway, they actually have fish down there. There's goldfish, big, huge goldfish, or koi, I guess maybe, down there in the ponds. I don't want to stand too close to this rickety railing. That's scary. The chain here, what's this do? Looks like that actually opens up, like the top area. That's awesome. So look at this place. It is just so cool. What kind of tree is that? That is some huge, ridiculous, gigantic, crazy-looking tree here in Pennsylvania. Again, we are in Pennsylvania right now, right outside Philadelphia. We're maybe like a good 45 minutes, hour outside of Philadelphia, and an actual tropical rainforest here. This is just too cool. I had to show this to you guys. I had to bring you out here. I had to show this to you. Like I said, though, if you come up here, be a little careful. This railing is very, very shaky. It only comes up to my hip. I'm not a tall guy. I'm only like 5'7", something like that. I'm not very tall. And that railing only came up to my hip, which was a little scary. Look at all these different plants. There's like all kinds of like ferns and tropical like palms and stuff out here. I truly do feel like I'm kind of in Florida right now. This is the kind of thing I'm going to see in like 3 days from now when I head down there. This is amazing. Looks like people have written their names on the window here. See, I wouldn't want to do that. Not because I wouldn't want to be a jerk, but because that's like moss or mold or something growing on that window. I don't want to get that all over my finger. But if you do come out here, you can write like Joni loves Chachi or whatever you want to write on the window there. Look at all the different plants they have here as well. I mean, seriously, an amazing place to come out and get all your different plant needs. So I think you guys can clearly see why I love this place. As somebody who loves Longwood Garden, I mean, Longwood Gardens is one of my, like I always say, it's one of my all-time most favorite places in the world. Probably one of my most favorite places, if not my most favorite place in all of Pennsylvania. I love going out to Longwood Gardens and seeing all the beautiful flowers and the topiaries and all the different conservatories and greenhouses they have out there. So clearly this is why I love this place so much, because it's a little mini Longwood Garden, if you will. It's a rainforest in the middle of Pennsylvania. It is just too cool. Have you guys ever been out here? If you have, leave a comment down below. Look at this. We're about to go through, I don't know what's inside here. All kinds of other, look at this. These plants they have. This one's crazy. It's got these spikes on it. Ow. Those are actually really sharp. There's all kinds of crazy, awesome, exotic plants out here. And this greenhouse is amazing. Obviously, it has some age to it. I'm not sure how long this place has been around, but as you can see, it's definitely been here for a very, very long time. This is a very, very, very old greenhouse. These plants over here have been growing for many, many, many years. I'll put down in the comment section, or down in the comments, down in the description of this video, I'll actually try to find the year this place was actually established and put that down below. What's this down here? There's a cave down there. I mean, we can't go down. I mean, we could go down there. I don't think we're supposed to. It says, no, it doesn't say, I thought the sign said like no trespassing. It says split leaf something. I don't know what that word is. So we're not supposed to go down there. It doesn't say no trespassing though. Probably we're not gonna go down there. But look at the cave. That's awesome. This place is just so cool. I want to go up top again. I want to go on top of the just one more time. I want to go on top of the waterfall. There's some kind of evergreen here. That is so cool. All right, guys. So again, Odd's Exotic Plants here in Collegeville, Pennsylvania, with an extremely scary and rickety railing on top of the waterfall. But it's awesome. It's amazing. It is one of the coolest places to visit if you're in this area. Just to come out here, just to walk around, just to see like a tropical rainforest in the middle. I guess we're not in the middle of Pennsylvania. A tropical rainforest in the southeastern portion of Pennsylvania, right outside of Philadelphia, about 45 minutes outside of Philadelphia. This is what you can see. And this is why you should always stop out here. Even if you don't have a green thumb, even if you're not planting anything, even if you have no need for plants whatsoever, you don't want a flower, you don't want a shrubbery, you don't want a bush, you don't want a tree, just come out here anyway. Check this place out. You will not be sorry. But all right, guys, with that, we are done. I'm gonna let you guys go. Just wanted to show you this amazing place. And Taylor and Barb or something? Anyway, I really want to make Joni Lashachi now. So, all right, guys, seriously, get out here. Check this place out. It's amazing. It's so cool. We're going to go through the cave one more time. Here we go, through the cave. So cool. So, Odd's Exotic Plants in Collegeville, Pennsylvania. Come out here. Check out the koi. That one's hungry. Look at that. He's looking at me. What do koi eat? What should next time I come out here, I'll bring some food and feed them some fish food. What should I bring them? They're huge fish. So, all right, guys, like I said, get out here, check this place out. It's amazing. It's fantastic. I love it out here so much. But I'm gonna let you guys go. So as always, thank you all so much for checking out this video. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check down below for links to Patreon. If you guys do become a patron, I will send you a postcard every single month from the road. Look at this thing, it's huge. Also check down below for a link to Spreadshirt where you can grab yourself retro rest stop t-shirts. Proceeds both from Spreadshirt and from Patreon do good help in gas in Vanderbilt and in Pumpkin. So you can come out to interesting places like this and see really cool things like this. A tropical rainforest here in southeastern Pennsylvania. Pretty awesome, pretty cool, pretty amazing. But all right, guys, like I said, if you hit that like button and you hit that subscribe button or you are subscribed, then I will see you in tomorrow's video. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys. If you've been out here, leave a comment down below. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.